2012 GMC Yukon DENALI 6.2 liter V8 beast. Got factory converters there and there. Wise into a single. Got a third or secondary converter or third converter. Flex pipe, and then what we got on it, the customer brought his own. It's American Thunder right there. The 38-inch long one. It's made by High Flow Performance. So if you guys want to look them up, there it is. It's guaranteed not to drone. That's their guarantee. That's why it has all those ridges in it. And on the inside, you'll see it. I'll send you guys out. We took a picture of the inside. We'll put it on there. Then he left the resonator on it right there. There's a 3-inch pipe out the back. There's the massive muffler we cut off right there. Sweet Thunder or American Thunder, wasn't it? Sweet Thunder or American Thunder? Sweet Thunder. It's called Sweet Thunder. We'll see if we can find you guys a link in the description for it. Anyways, there it is, GMC Yukon XL. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. GMC Yukon XL with a Sweet Thunder. Remember, guys, it's got the resonator on it too. There's sound decibels. Right at 104. You like it or you want it louder? He goes, definitely not louder. His wife's gonna kill him. Is that the wife's car?
No, it's my car.
Okay. You ain't gonna notice a difference. Got a nice idle to it. Sweet Thunder. I like it. It sounds pretty good. It's not raspy at all. You can just really hear the engine. Let you guys hear on the inside.